Hey, I'm Dr. Bart Kaczmarek. I'm a family doctor in Windsor, Ontario. I love office efficiency systems. I love to organize my work better, and I want to share some tips with you on how my 17-room office is organized right now. So earlier this year in March, we moved to an office that has 17 rooms, and there's like 3 hallways, and I was thinking how to organize my office so the patients don't get lost in the 3 hallways. And my main idea was to make sure my receptionists don't have to room patients themselves, and the idea was the patients can find a way to the room on their own. So what we've done is we have divided the 3 hallways, we color-coded them. We have a blue hallway, we have a yellow hallway, and we have a green hallway. So when you say to the patient, go to room 3 in the blue hallway, they can't miss the blue hallway because it's so blue. It's like so blue that you're just like, there's no question that they are in the blue hallway. The same thing with yellow. Some people say it's actually too yellow, but it's okay. And the green is also super green, so no one can miss it. Another thing we've done is for the staff orientation, the front desk, which they don't see their rooms, they're quite in the front of their office, is that we have numbered rooms specific way, that the odd numbers are always on the left and the even numbers are on the right. So we have room in the blue hallway, we have room that are always on the left side, so we have rooms that go 1, 3, 5, 7. On the yellow hallway, we have rooms that are 12, 14, 16, 18. And on the other side of the yellow hallway, we have 11, 17, and 19. So we're skipping some number, big deal. We realized that from this moment on, patients can be instructed to go to room 14 in the yellow hallway, and they find a way without extra work of my receptionist taking them to the room. And I think it's a big win for efficiency. So if you're an owner of a medical office and you have multiple rooms, I wonder, how do you organize your flow? How do you organize your patient rooms? How do you get patients in the rooms? Do you use the receptionist driving the patient in the room, or do you tell them to find a room on their own? Let me know in comments below. I would love to hear from you.